when I came to Lakshya, the classroom, the coordinators, faculties, everyone turned out to be really friendly and good. And even the programs were actually very good. And yeah, I think overall everything was good. In case of studies also, it was a very interactive sections and mentoring was really helpful for me. Even everything was a monthly exam, weekly exam thing was really good because we get updated with the syllabus and now we get a practice of the question papers and time management. Even during the mock exam time and the camp time during the mentorship, I think that's what helped us to manage time, and especially accounts paper. I was not a person who was good at time management in accounts, so after coming here, I actually by practicing the papers, I was able to complete the paper on time. I didn't thought of coming to commerce, but I took commerce. Like it was a sudden decision. Then, as we all know, like CA is a promising career, so I chose to go to that field. My mom was actually the person who was looking for where I should be studying. I think she was the one who suggested. She used to look at newspapers and advertisements, and she called Lakshya and asked when should we join. I think that was a straight path. So I'm not very much aware of the other journey. It was my parents who decided me mostly. And yeah, she came up with Lakshya. And we went for the admission, and they also promised that they will be teaching very well and all.